Choose your character.
Today I'm going to be going to work, and after work I have work, photo shoot with my partner. Yeah, come with me throughout my day. I'm going to show you a little bit of what I do. I work at a little shop, so you know how it is. Cars coming in, cars coming out all day long. I'm going to see if I can get out of there early so I can get my weekend started, ready to go. It's cold as shit outside, so I got my windbreaker on. I'm using my iPhone 4, not 4. Whoa, using my iPhone 6. And it's a good camera and all, but my camera is going to be charging for the event later on, so I'm not going to really touch it too much today unless I see something interesting. Time for that ride, yo. It's cold as shit. I don't want to take this out in the winter because I'm trying to have a project car to work on for myself. I like the TSX. It's a not a perfect, but it's a really good base to start with. This one is modified a bit, so it's not really a daily driver worthy-ish kind of car, but it is what it is. If I get another car, hopefully I'll be happy. Something fun, maybe like a BMW 323. Bruh, 8 degrees, and I'm pretty sure it's underneath that because fucking frost on the window. You cold or what? Guys, Majid Jordan came out with his new album or EP, whatever you want to call it, but it's sick. Gotta listen to that Give Your Love Away song, because that song right there is fucking amazing. So I'm at work now, ready to go. Got the uniform on, ready to go, and gonna bang off the day, get shit going. Hopefully I can leave an hour early so that I get a head start. Holy fuck. So I'm back again and basically just dropped off the customer's car that I said I would fix their car. I couldn't even record myself doing it at all. It was just so stressful. Swollen ass thumb. I don't know what the fuck that was. Actually sounds pretty nice for a grandma car. Don't tell them I told you that. What's wrong with your alien ship car, bro? Why is it vibrating at me?
Well, I was going like boop, boop, boop.
Yeah. Alright, so Taylor's gonna do a fucking pull right now. Not bad, man. Oh shit, there goes the hat. I knew it. Not bad. Not bad.
Thanks, man.
He needs a turbocharger though, because holy fuck, these cars are still here. He needs a turbocharger though.
$1,200.
$500. Someone give it to him. Start a GoFundMe. Back in the Ponda. I said I was gonna leave at 3 and it's 3:50 now, so I'm leaving on time. Basically, I'm gonna make sure I get compensated for that because I've been doing some bullshit all day, and I am happy to get my ass doing some passion work.